In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your Calendly meetings efficiently and effectively. Whether you're a first-time user or familiar with the platform, this guide will streamline your experience and help you become a pro at managing your scheduling through Calendly. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser and typing in Calendly's official website URL, calendly.com. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't visited it before. You'll notice the Login button prominently placed at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on that. When you're on the Login page, you're presented with options to enter your email and password if you've previously set up a Calendly account. However, if you've linked your Calendly with Google or Microsoft, you can choose to log in through either account by clicking the appropriate option provided. For the purposes of this tutorial, let's proceed with the Microsoft option. Clicking on the Microsoft login will redirect you to the login.microsoftonline.com portal. Here, input your Microsoft credentials if you aren't already signed in. This step is straightforward. Just ensure that your login details are correct to avoid any unnecessary delays in accessing your Calendly account. Once you're authenticated, you'll be seamlessly redirected to your Calendly homepage. Welcome to your Calendly dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your scheduling needs. From here, you'll want to navigate to the Meetings section. You can do this by either spotting it directly on the homepage or utilizing the menu at the top. Here, you'll find everything related to your meetings. Currently, I don't have any active meetings displayed, but if you have ongoing or scheduled meetings, this is where they'll appear. It's a helpful view to check your upcoming appointments or revisit details of previous ones. Remember, the key to efficiency in using Calendly lies in exploring and getting comfortable with these features. Take time to familiarize yourself with the settings and options available in the Meetings section. For instance, you can adjust notifications, set availability preferences, or even customize your meeting links. It's all designed to give you maximum control with minimal effort. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on accessing your meetings via Calendly using your Microsoft account. Whether scheduling personal meetups or professional engagements, these steps will help you maintain a smooth, organized, and efficient process. Thank you for joining me today. Feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a refresher, and happy scheduling.